was my friend opened this shop in New York called Big Night. It was like right as we were kind of at the height of the pandemic, and the whole ethos behind it was getting people together in your home and celebrating togetherness, and opened this beautiful store. We collaborated on the branding for it. It was so much fun. And now, a couple years later, we made it into a beautiful cookbook, which just felt like a beautiful marriage of all my design worlds.
It's a really, really hard. One of the things I'm most proud of was not necessarily a cookbook. I was design director for the journal Gastronomica when it debuted in 2000. And I worked very closely with Dorie Greenspan, who was a founding editor, and that was like a dream job. I loved working on that. I worked together for 13 years before we both stepped down, and it was started as an academic journal. I didn't think that it would have a lot of interest or that there would be broad circulation for it. It ended up being like the most successful journal they've done. Got picked up everywhere, and we evolved the visual language of that from a kind of a stiff academic journal into something really vibrant and really beautiful. We had so much fun curating the cover photographs for that book, for that journal. That's probably, I think.